Today we will go over an extremely good trade practice talking about every single detail. We will do a top-down analysis to cover market structure analysis. Furthermore, we will learn how to find good entry points and tradable areas. Let's start now. If you woke up today and started to look for trades, today was a really strong and positive day for the coins. Most of them rally with large green daily candlesticks, and also USDT dominance is mostly weak. And there was this lovely coin to check out, GMT USDT, one of the top gainer coins. By using our beloved indicator called ICT High Time Frames Indicator, you can see and analyze the multi-time frames at once. The early rally started way before with this imbalance area, but we are not concerned with it. What to look for is recent price action. Right at this multi-imbalance area, price pulls back and hits this 4 multi-time frame imbalances at once. This gives you the perfect idea and to zone to look for a trade. Now, switching into lower time frames, the price action will be more clear and meaningful. You will see it. First of all, this is the point of our 4 imbalance hit from the momentum layout. The area that you will be looking for a trade. At the top, you can see this liquidity gathering. It is kind of a relative equal highs, but not perfect. Hard to call them equal at all. But at least we know that liquidity gathering upwards. In our entry location, you can notice a simple structure shift. And you can use this as your entry. Now, this is an idea of a 2R compact setup. But I want to discuss further. First of all, what really happens here? What are we actually trading for years? Yes, price hit these multi-imbalance locations for us to look for trades. No brainer, we all know that. And we also use this liquidity as our target, basically aiming for stop losses. But actually, what really happens here? We need to discover it. What really happens here is a simple power of 3, PO3. Actually, the whole idea of momentum coin scalping is based on a power of 3 setup. You can see the clear analysis of the PO3 in the candlesticks on the left. What does the power of 3 actually consist of? 1. The fill. Price sweeps, liquidity, and possibly hits an imbalance area, fully filling up. This is generally the first step. 2. Target. Target should be in the opposite side of the PO3. It should be either liquidity or imbalance or the combination of both of them. 3. The structure shift. Structure must shift before the trade. So the buyers and sellers change hands. I hope that this was an educational video for you. The ultimate price action setup. Okay folks, ending this great lecture. Learned about great trading concepts today. Please take care and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you, about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you